The #1 request I get is a property within an hour drive of Denver that has live water, hunting, and agriculture. Well, here's your chance. This is the Comanche Creek Ranch. This is 469 acres. It's got everything you could want within an hour drive of Denver.
Let's be quiet for a moment. Watch the shapes begin to fall. Keep your head above the system. Keep your eyes towards the floor. We don't need another preacher. We just need another road.
It's got 150 acres of tillable. It's got 310 acres of river bottom along the Comanche Creek.
It's the people we don't know.